Hey everybody, welcome back to Kelly's Creations. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're doing some painting. So remember the ghost painting trend on TikTok where you go to a thrift store, you buy a really pretty picture. Make sure it's not an original, make sure it's a print, and you paint ghosts on it. So I thought it would be fun to do the same thing for Christmas. So I found this cute little picture of a town, and we're gonna jazz this up and make it a Christmas photo. How cute. So first things first, I got to take it out of the frame. And I think this picture cost me $3.99. And it was really easy. I took it out of the wooden frame and it had its own mat. And I decided to paint the wooden frame white for Christmas. I love the original wood, but I just wanted this to really pop, and white is the way to go. So I put 2 coats of chalk paint on this, and I will be adding wax to it as well to seal it in, but I do distress it. Now, a lot of people don't like distressing. As I always say, if you don't like it, don't do it. That's pretty much anything in any of my videos. If you see something you don't like, don't do it. So we're going to work on the picture first. So I'm going to getting tongue-tied, the paints I'm going to use, which is white, black, red, green. I might grab a couple more, but for right now, that's pretty much the 3 base colors that I'll be using. And did you ever paint by numbers when you were younger? This is kind of like, to me, that's kind of like what this is, because you already have the bones of the picture. So all you have to do is go in and change colors, add a few things, but it's not like you have to paint the structures itself. So this is super easy. You don't have to have artistic talent to do this. Once you try it, oh my gosh, you will be addicted. You'll go out and find more pictures to paint because it's that much fun. So I start with the, why do I always go blank? I swear. Oh my gosh, you guys know what it is. I painted that red. It'll come to me, it always does. And then I came in and I added kind of like red ornaments to the existing bushes of the picture. And pretty much that's what I'm going to be doing the whole time, is just adding this and making it look like Christmas. And that's the fun of it. As you're painting, things come to you and you just keep adding and adding and adding. Oh my gosh, so much fun.
Everything glistens and everything's bright. Everyone's happy. Spirits are light. I am sitting here thinking, alone with my drink, as I do this time of the year. Do you remember?
So the windows were blue. So I thought that would be neat to come in and make all of those windows that are blue black. I'm going to do the shutters black. I'm also going to go over the doors and I'm going to make them black as well. I thought black just looked a lot better for a Christmas photo than the blue. And like I said, you just have to keep painting over what is already there. And so many ideas come to you as you're painting. Oh my gosh. There were things I added to this picture that originally I hadn't even thought of. But once I started painting, all the ideas started flowing.
I think I remember me being with you. Was that just a dream that never came true? I am sitting here sinking, drink after drink, as I do this time of the year. My stupid heart so easily strays. I thought I was trying to forget you. I must have forgotten. I am lost in my memories, pouring the hours away. Say, do you remember we used to be near? You don't recall, you forgot as I'd fear.
Once I had that painted black, I came in and I touched up those squares with some white. And it really made it pop. I was trying to stay within what was already there, but there was words on that. And I needed to really cover those up. So coming back in with some of that white really helped cover the existing words that were there. After I had that done, I came in still with the same white paint and I went over the shutters, adding highlights, lines to really make them pop and look like shutters. So that was super easy. All I had to do was take a really thin paintbrush, come in and put lines, and you can see it transforms that right into looking like shutters again. I come in and I highlight the doors as well, and I add windows and I add blocks to really make them look like doors. And I was having so much fun. Oh my gosh. I wish I had artistic ability where I could actually paint this picture from scratch. That's always been like a dream to be able to paint, but this is so close. So this is for people that wouldn't be able to paint this structure on their own, but they still have the fun of coming in and making it their own and painting a picture. So once I had it all highlighted and my doors done, it's time to add the snow. And I came in and just kind of dabbed snow on the sidewalk, on the ground. And then I came in and I added snow anywhere I thought snow would fall. So I added it on the tips of the planters. I added it on the buildings. I added snow falling from the sky. Anywhere I thought snow would be, I put it on the picture. And that just brings this to life as a Christmas picture, of course, adding snow. Tips of the windows, I added snow to the greenery. That's what really makes this look like a Christmas picture, in my opinion, at least. Okay, so I got the snow done. Now it's time to add the snowmen. So I'm just taking that white paint and I'm drawing 3 circles, one larger and they go smaller as I go up. I'm going to have snowmen sitting in all of the chairs. So I'm going to add snowman to each chair. Then I'm going to come in, I'm going to paint hats and scarves and carrot noses and really make these snowmen come to life. So they're all going to be sitting outside enjoying their little cappuccinos in this winter wonderland. Once I had my snowman done, I came in, I added black strings, and those are going to be lights. And I just come in with some white, and I kind of dab little circles under those black strings to really highlight the lights shining. So easy to do. I come in with green as well, and I put green lights right next to the white ones. And how are you liking this picture so far? Is this something you would try? What else would you have added to it? Right now, I am just having so much fun just really making this look like a Christmas scene. And I don't know, I just want to hear from you guys. What would you do? I'm also going to be putting like green circles around, and those are going to be wreaths hanging by the lights. And I come in, I add red to put berries as well. I add a green circle to the door for a wreath and come in with red and put berries on that as well. And of course, I add wreaths to each window. After I add my wreaths, I come in with some white paint and I draw candles in the windows. And then I come in with some yellow and I put that on the top of the candles for flames. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. And actually I wasn't even thinking about putting candles in the window. So that's something that just came to me as I was going. You guys have been so supportive. I love y'all so much. And like I said in my other videos, it's because of your comments and your likes, your shares, and of course your subscriptions that have really helped my channel to grow. It's free to you. It helps me. So if you're interested and you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share this video with friends you think would enjoy it. It just is, I can't believe how much my channel's grown in the last 2 months, and it's all because of you guys. And I just wanted to stop and take a minute to tell you how much I appreciate you. So going back to the video, I came in with some glitter, and I had nail polish that had glitter in it, and I thought that would be cute to add. I also had regular glitter, which I just use a glue stick, and I put a little bit of glue stick down, and then I just kind of sprinkle the glitter on it. The nail polish glitter works so good too, because all you have to do is just paint that on where you want it. So that's a really easy, if you don't like dealing with glitter, buy some nail polish that has glitter in it, and then you don't have the mess that glitter creates. But I think that adding the glitter really makes the snow look fresh, like that crystally look you have when snow has just fallen. I just think that adds to it. So here I'm going to go back, let my picture dry a little bit, and work on my frame. It's totally dry, so I can come in and distress it. After distressing it, I do add wax to seal it so that the paint won't chip off. And I just have wax from Lowe's, and I wear gloves and use my fingers. Really get that wax. It highlights the distressing, and like I said, it protects the paint. So I did have a mat that came with this. At first I painted it white and I added glitter to it, but I didn't like that. So I thought, everything is so bright in the picture. I think it would be better if the mat was painted black. So that's what I decided to do. I just painted the existing mat black, and then I assembled my picture. I left the glass out for filming purposes, because when you film and there's glass in the picture, you get a lot of the light shining on it. You can see me filming. So for video purposes, I did leave the glass out while I was assembling. I'll put that in after I'm done filming. That way you guys can see the picture much better. I took off the stickers finally from Goodwill. And yeah, we were good to go. So as soon as I'm done putting this in, you guys will see the final picture all put together. So stinking cute. Again, let me know in the comments, what would you have added? What would you have taken away? And will you be trying this? So here's the final picture. This is what it looked like before, and here's what it looks like after. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to start doing Christmas DIYs. This kicks off the first Christmas video, and there'll be a lot more to come, including some miniatures. I love you guys. I hope you're having a blessed and most wonderful week, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye, y'all.